Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, keyword transformations, exercise number FCE019. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, "How about going to the cinema tonight?" said Anne. The keyword is suggested. And the second sentence is, Anne blank to the cinema. The correct answer is, Anne suggested going to the cinema. The transformation uses the reporting verb suggested followed by a gerund, going. It changes the direct suggestion into reported speech. The structure suggested going retains the original intent and fits grammatically with the keyword provided. Another example would be, he suggested eating at the new restaurant. Another possible answer for this question is, suggested we go. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, my advice to you is to talk to your parents. The keyword is would. And the second sentence is, if blank talk to my parents. The correct answer is, if I were you, I would talk to my parents. This transformation uses a conditional structure to give advice. If I were you, I would is a common way to phrase suggestions or advice, aligning with the original meaning of the sentence. Another example would be, if I were you, I would start studying for the exam now. Next up, question 3. The original sentence is, Barry wasn't strong enough to lift the box. The keyword is have. And the second sentence is, Barry didn't blank to lift the box. The correct answer is, Barry didn't have enough strength to lift the box. This transformation changes the adjective strong to the noun strength and maintains the negative construction. Didn't have enough strength conveys the same meaning as wasn't strong enough. Another example would be, she didn't have enough time to finish the project. Another possible answer for this question is have the strength. Here's question 4. The original sentence is, they started the company in 1997. The keyword is set. And the second sentence is, the company blank 1997. The correct answer is, the company was set up in 1997. This transformation changes the active voice to the passive voice, using was set up, to indicate the founding of the company. The phrase in 1997 remains unchanged to specify the time. Another example would be, the charity was set up in 2005. On to question 5. The original sentence is, I think Jean really likes Simon. The keyword is keen. And the second sentence is, Jean blank Simon. The correct answer is, Jean is really keen on Simon. This transformation uses the phrase is really keen on to express strong liking. It maintains the original meaning and fits naturally into the sentence structure. Another example would be, she's really keen on playing the guitar. Question 6. The original sentence is, I was made responsible for foreign sales. The keyword is charge. And the second sentence is, they put blank foreign sales. The correct answer is, they put me in charge of foreign sales. This transformation uses the phrase put me in charge of to indicate responsibility. It mirrors the meaning of made responsible for in the original sentence. Another example would be, they put her in charge of organizing the event. Question 7. The original sentence is, the brothers really enjoyed themselves in Spain last summer. The keyword is time. And the second sentence is, the brothers really blank in Spain last summer. The correct answer is, the brothers really had a good time in Spain last summer. This transformation changes enjoyed themselves to the more idiomatic had a good time, preserving the meaning and context of the original sentence. Another example would be, we had a good time at the beach yesterday. Another possible answer for this question is great time or wonderful time. And now, finally, question 8. The original sentence is, the Queen is opening the new school tomorrow afternoon. The keyword is opened. And the second sentence is, the new school, blank, Queen, tomorrow afternoon. The correct answer is, the new school is being opened by the Queen tomorrow afternoon. This transformation changes the active voice to the passive voice, using is being opened by to indicate the action being performed by the Queen. It keeps the original meaning intact and specifies the agent of the action. Another example would be, the exhibition is being opened by the mayor next week. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.